Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off or disable Windows Defender on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off Windows Defender on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type Windows Security, click on Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection on left corner. Now scroll down. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, you will find an option Manage Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Virus and Threat Protection is turned on. Real-time protection is turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Click on Yes. And Cloud Delivered Protection is turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Scroll down. Automatic sample submission is turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Temper protection is turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Close Windows Security. This is the easiest way to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11 computers.